Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at Guide, that's Guidde, which is a software that's used for recording training videos and interactive trainings. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So to get started, we're going to open up Chrome and go to Extensions. I'm going to go to Visit the Chrome Web Store and I'm going to search for Guide, that's Guidde with two Ds. You can see here I'm clicking to add to Chrome, add extension, and we're almost ready to go. Once I click to the welcome screen, I'm going to have the option to log in. I'm using my Google account here. If you don't have an account, one will be created for you. And then I'm going to click Capture to create a how-to video. I'm going to do an employee training in this instance to try that out. And I'm going to show my employees how to send a LinkedIn message. I don't have to change language, I just clicked go. And now I'm going to open a tab and navigate to LinkedIn. As you can see, I'm just going about my business, doing actions naturally, and letting the software record in the background. So I'm doing a search for my friend Adam Biddlecombe. I'm going to tell him how much I like Guide and ask him about what his favorite feature is. I know that he's also a user of this product. So in the background, while all this is happening, Guide is recording what's being typed, what's being clicked, and it's generating an automatic video from that, which we'll see in a second. You can see in the bottom left that it's processing, and it's done. So most of the text has been filled in for me automatically. If I need to, it's possible to edit part of it. But in this instance, I think everything came out perfectly and it didn't require any editing. So as you can see, we have a fancy training video. This can also be interactive and viewed on the web easily for customers, for internal training, for external training, for sales demos. Really, there's just a ton of use cases, and I really love this product. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out Guide using one of my links in the post above. Have a great day.